Hi guys, it's Emily and Ollie here from Vanlife Conversions, and today we just thought we'd give you an update on one of our oldest builds that's come back to see us in the workshop for some upgrades. This is Dumbo, don't know if you remember him.
Built this just over 18 months ago now. Yeah, the owners have really enjoyed having it, and they're looking just for a few upgrades so that the van is ready for the higher season coming up in a few weeks' time. So this video will show you around the features that we've added and just a bit of a reminder of this layout and some of the features inside. So yeah, really excited to show you around.
So one of the biggest features we've added to this van is an awning. It's a Fiamma F80, which is 3.7 metres to the side of the Citroen Relay van, and just gives a really nice canopy, so if you're eating outside or parked up for a little while, just extends your living space. So the other thing we've changed in this van is the door. So in our conversions we tend to put a door that opens out, and this couple have a really big dog, so they were finding that wasn't working for them because the dog was getting in the way of the door and vice versa.
So the tambour door sits on a pair of runners, one at high level and one at low level. It's really easy to install, and the actual door itself is adjustable in height, and it just slides really easily, doesn't take up any space, and yeah, allows easy access into the shower room. And you can see we've also added a Simploo, which is a composting style toilet. This allows the owners to be able to go off grid for longer periods of time without the need to stop off at a campsite to empty the waste. And yeah, it sits nicely within the shower tray and plenty of leg room to be able to sit down, and it operates a 12-volt fan on this switch here, which is vented to the outside to prevent smells and allow the composting procedure to happen.
We don't have the cushions with us, unfortunately, because the customers still have those. So, but you can see a picture here, and they will be blue fabric on these cushions that folds into a double bed.
We really like the dinette style at the back of the van. We've got these two large bonded windows which can give really nice views whilst you're eating your dinner. There's blackout blinds just to sort of, when it's the evening, you're getting ready for bed, you just draw them. We've got a large table here for multiple people to sit around and eat. It's a really sociable layout, and you could comfortably seat 4 people around this dining table. And it also, yeah, this forms the bed once it's collapsed and sits on the rails in the middle.